Have you ever found yourself struggling to keep track of all the characters in your novel series? With Claude Fable 5, you can create a design system to organize your characters and ensure consistency across your story. In this video, we'll show you how to build a character database, track character development, and use Fable 5's features to keep your characters in line. To start building your design system, you'll need to create a character database. In Fable 5, you can create character profiles with details like voice, backstory, and traits. You can also add tags to make it easy to search and filter your characters. Let's take a look at how to set this up. Once you have your character database set up, you can start tracking character development across your series. In Fable 5, you can create character arcs that span multiple books and add development milestones and notes to keep track of your character's progress. One of the biggest mistakes writers make when it comes to character consistency is forgetting to update their character profiles. This can lead to inconsistent character voice and traits, which can pull your readers out of the story. Let's take a look at how to avoid this mistake. Fable 5 has a number of features that can help you ensure consistency across your series. You can use the character voice and trait suggestions to keep your characters in line and run consistency checks to catch any mistakes. Let's take a look at how to use these features.